How to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal. So, Cash App and PayPal don't have a direct send button between them, which is super annoying. But don't worry, there's a really easy workaround to get your cash moved over in just a few taps. Let's walk through it together. First things first, make sure your main bank account is linked to your Cash App, and that same bank's debit card is hooked up to your PayPal. Got that set? Perfect. Open up Cash App and tap Cash Out right under your balance. Use this slider here to pick exactly how much you want to move. Once you've got your number, hit Cash Out at the bottom. Now, you can choose Instant if you're in a huge rush, but it does charge a small fee. For this walkthrough, we're going to tap Standard to keep it completely free. It sends the money straight to your bank account. Just tap Done at the bottom and you're halfway there. Next, jump over to your PayPal app, tap right here on your PayPal balance near the top left, and then select Add Money from Bank or Card. Type in the exact amount you just sent to your bank. I'm going to type in $50 to match our transfer. Hit Next. PayPal is going to ask how fast you want it. You can do 3 to 5 days for free with a bank transfer or in seconds with a debit card. We want it fast, so tap In Seconds. Just make sure it's selecting that debit card linked to the bank account we used earlier. Everything look good? Tap Add Now at the bottom. And boom, money incoming. Just tap Not Now on the automatic setup prompt, and you'll see the funds sitting right there in your available PayPal balance. Thanks for watching. If you also use Chime and want to know how to move your Cash App funds over there next, click right here for my step-by-step tutorial on how to transfer money from Cash App to Chime. See you over there.